Welcome to JH. In this updated 2025 guide, I will show you the process of importing issues from Excel into Jira to streamline your project management and keep your workflow efficient. Start by organizing your Excel spreadsheet thoroughly. This phase is vital because the way you structure your data directly determines the accuracy and success of the import. Make sure your file contains specific columns like summary, issue type, project key, description, priority, assignee, and labels. These headers allow Jira to recognize and categorize your tasks properly once they are uploaded. Double-check that all formatting is correct before proceeding to the next stage. Next, open your Jira project and select the Issues tab located at the top of the interface. To find the Import tool, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the page and choose Import Issues from CSV. Remember, Jira specifically requires the CSV format, so save your Excel workbook as a CSV file before you begin. Now, click the Choose File button to browse your computer and upload your CSV. Once the file is ready, hit Next. You will then be prompted to designate the specific project where these issues should be imported. Select the correct workspace to ensure the data lands in the right spot and click Next again. The next step involves mapping your CSV columns to the corresponding Jira fields. It is essential that each header, such as Summary, matches its equivalent field in Jira. After aligning all fields, click Next to see a summary of your mappings. Review these details carefully to avoid any data errors during the process. Then select Begin Import. Jira will take a moment to process your file and display a success notification if everything is correct. If there are issues, use the provided details to fix your CSV and try again. Finally, return to your project board to confirm that all tasks have been successfully integrated into your workflow, ensuring your project data remains consistent and accurate.